so good at fact families. And there's a reason why we're learning fact families. Is actually a really good reason. It's not because they're fun or cute. It's because it's another strategy to help us. And you know that Mrs. Cruz is the strategy queen, right? She loves her strategies, right? So I think Blake might be a great king, strategy king. Let's draw Blake right here. Okay, here's Blake. Okay, so Blake might be a great strategy king. That's right. So let's name him Strategy King. So I think that the more strategies you know and can use, the faster, the more efficient, the more correct you will be able to solve your problems. So let's talk about those fact families then. The first thing you need to know is that numbers are related to each other. And we can figure out what numbers are related, whoops, by adding two numbers together and finding the whole. So let's find just like a number bond, just like a number bond. Let's make a number bond. Here is a number bond. And now you help me, okay? Let's make a fact family number bond where we have to figure out what the three numbers are. If the first number is, let's say 5, that's the first part. And the second part is 2. What do you think the whole number is, Blakey?
7.
You're right. Look at that. So we now have all the members in our house. So we have to build our house now. All right, Miss Cruz loves to draw houses. We're going to put the members of our house in the top so we remember who they are. I don't want to forget who they are. So let's put them in. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Let me just do something real quickly. Hopefully that'll stop. Now, we are going to put our family members in the house so we remember who they are. We have a 2, a 5, and the Mac Daddy 7. That's the part, and the whole number. Now, because we have our 3 numbers, we can have a little fun with them. That's right. We can plug them into equations. And in every fact family, I want you to remember this. I want you to remember this huge number right here. There are 4 equations that we can make. There it is. It's funny looking 4. But there are 4 total equations: 2 addition and 2 subtraction problems. What's 2 plus 2, Blake?
4.
That's right. So if we have 2 addition problems, just like we said, and 2 subtraction problems, we make a total of 4 different problems, 4 equations. Blank plus blank equals blank. That's 1. Let's put a room in the house so we don't get them messed up. Blank plus blank equals blank. Oh, there's the 2 additions. Now we can plug those numbers in. Let's do that real quick. Blake, I need some help. I don't know where to put the numbers. I'm lost. Okay, so we have the first little part. That's sister, brother, and the Mac Daddy mama. We need to use these numbers and plug them in. Where do we put the sister and brother? Do you know where to put them?
Hey. 2 goes first.
Okay.
5 goes second.
Yep.
7 goes third.
Wow, that's awesome. Okay, so we have our first equation. Now, brother and sister are fighting. They're like, no, I want to go first. No, I want to go first. Well, sister went first. Let's let brother go first. In the next addition, we can flip those addends around. What could go first then? I know you're going to say it. Your mouth is getting ready to say it.
5.
Yes, let brother go first. Remember brother, the other small part? Now, what do you think we can add to that part? The other part? What's the only other part we know? Sister.
7.
Yep. And then the Mac Daddy Mama 7. Great
What
job.
is that?
We have our whole number, the 7. So do these make sense? That was part of the issue that we had in our
Mac
first
Daddy
live
Mama.
lesson. If the equations don't make sense, they can't go in the house. All right. Now, what would happen, Blake, if I made some subtraction sentences and I made a boo-boo like this? Are you ready?
Okay.
Uh-oh. What's wrong? I did something really, really wrong. Do you know what it is? Watch this. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, oops. 2, 5, 7, 5, 2, 7, 7, 6, 1. No, we let a what in the house? What did we let in the house? A stranger? Did we let a stranger in the house? Yes, we did.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
2.
Wait,
Kylan.
2 belongs there. 2's okay. 5's okay. 7's okay. Who is the stranger in my new equation?
1.
Yes, get him out of the house. Go
and
away.
6.
Yes,
6,
get him
yeah.
out of the house. Go away. Well, what if, strangers going to try to come in and eat all your chicken nuggets. Let's make a stranger in the house. Give him a
Come into
mustache.
my house, I kick them in the face.
Oh yeah, we don't want to kick him. We want to kick him out. Here he comes. Here's Mr. 6. Let me in the house. Let me in the house. I want to come in. And you say, no, the only people that are allowed in the house are the same 3 numbers we're using over and over again.
I'd be like,
right?
bye.
So they need to get out. So let's go ahead and erase our strangers and say, no way, man, get out of there. You can't come in. Let's reuse the same numbers we've been using for the whole house. All right, ready? You're going to help me, right?
Yeah.
What's the only other number I can use?
2.
Great. Let's do another one. Always start with the big number when we subtract. This time I'm going to flip the brother and sister around. What is the final number?
5.
Beautiful. No strangers in the house. Phew, we're safe. We're safe. Let's do our Kahoot. Are you ready?
Bye, Mr. 6.
I know we don't want him in the house. He's a stranger, man. We've already figured out who belongs in the house and he didn't. So let's start. Do you want to practice real quick?
Sure.
Awesome. Okay. So we're going to practice our Kahoot together. And here's our PIN number. It's loading. 1613948.
There's nobody else win, so I'm gonna win.
I think
There's
I
nobody
scared
else-
them away. Don't know what
I'm
happened to
gonna
them.
win. I'm gonna win this because I'm the only person in the meeting.
Uh-huh. Oh, he's in. Awesome. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Make sure nobody else is looking for us. Oh, looks good. Okay, let's do it. So we're going to practice learning a little bit more about related facts. Remember, related means they're related to each other. They belong in the same family. And we can make 4 facts. 4. Now, which one of these equations has the same numbers as in this family? 6, 4, 10. 6, 4, and 10. Ooh, some of them have strangers. Don't let any strangers in. Yes, excellent job. All that is, you picked the right one. All this is showing brother and sister at ends flipped around. And it makes sense. Doesn't it make sense? 4 plus 6 does equal 10. So yes, I agree. That's a good one. The rest of them have strangers. That's right. We let a stranger in the house, and the other ones, we don't want to choose those. Let's do the next one. Ooh, you're rocking this. Okay. Which equation is related to 7, 5, 12? 7 plus 5 equals 12. Is there another one that's got those same numbers? Better have the same numbers, and it does. Yay! No strangers in the house, Blake. Good work. You're fighting those strangers off. I like that. Awesome. Ooh, look at those scores. Wow. Next one. Can you do another one? Which equation could be related to 7 plus 8 equals 15? It has to have those numbers and make sense. Ooh, one of them has the numbers, but it doesn't make sense. Good work. You know what I noticed? You picked the right one. I like that. But look at the green one. It has the right numbers, but it doesn't make any sense. 7 minus 8 is not 15. Wah, wah, wah. That's crazy. That's silly. That's a false statement. So green, we couldn't choose. You picked the right one. Good work. 8 plus 7 does equal 15. No strangers in the house. You're on fire. Which equation is related to 9 plus 4 equals 13? And makes sense. Has to have those numbers. And it can't be a silly statement. Oh, good work. I was going to go for the blue one, and then I realized it doesn't make any sense. 13 plus 4 more is not 9, is it? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That would be, yeah, that would, no, it doesn't make any sense. So I agree with you. 4 plus 9 is just the right one because it uses the same numbers, flipped around. Beautiful. And it makes sense. We probably won't get to all of these. Let's just do about 4 more, okay? Which equation is related to 15 equals 9 plus 6? So there's your numbers, 15, 9, and 6. And it has to make sense. Yes. Why couldn't we pick the green one, Blake? What was wrong with the green one? It had the right numbers, but what was wrong with it? It doesn't make sense.
Does
That's right.
not make sense.
That's right. 15 plus 6 more is not 9. Very good. Awesome. So see how sometimes the equations try to trick you? Yeah, you have to really stop and look at them and say, wait, does that even make sense? What equation is related to 14 equals 8 plus 6? Yay. None of the other ones were right because they all had strangers. The only one that worked is yours, the yellow one. I agree. Great job, Blake. You are rocking this. Which equation will complete this fact family? Now, look at that picture on the top. I've got 2 addition done, but I'm missing a subtraction equation. Which one could I use? Yes, excellent. So you notice that the only one that was missing was Mac Daddy Mama minus the brother. Beautiful job. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 3. Beautiful job. Those are related. Good work. Okay. Which equation will complete this fact family? All right. So wait a minute. We have 2 subtractions. So what are we missing? And it has to have a 4, a 1, and a 3. Okay, those are the numbers in the family. I see a 3, a 1, and a 4. Oh, good work. So you chose an addition problem and you used the right numbers from our family. Great job. Awesome. Boy, you are so good. You could teach this for me. What do you think? You want to be the teacher? No? Okay. Which equation will complete this family? Ooh, look carefully. It has 2 addition. It's missing one of the subtraction. And what are the numbers? I see a 1, a 2, and a 3. Oh, very nice. Good work, man. Yes, the other ones don't work because they were letting strangers or they don't make sense. But look at the green one. Try the green one. It's just silly. Put up 2 fingers and try to subtract 3. I can't. I don't have enough. Doesn't make any sense. All right, let's go on to the next one. Oh, look at your score. Which equation will complete this fact family? Look carefully. What's missing? Yes, awesome job. You noticed that there were 2 subtractions already done and it was missing the addition sentence. So we had to find one that was addition and matched and made sense. Whew, that's a lot to do. You have a lot to do when you do fact families, right? But you've got all 3 steps. Do the numbers match? Do they make sense? Are there any strangers? And what symbol do we need? Let's look. We have 2 subtraction already done. What are we missing? Yes, excellent job. You notice that we were missing an addition sentence and the 5 plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Those were the numbers that we needed. Wow, man, you're so good at this. I think we'll be able to finish. Which equation will complete this fact family? Look carefully. What do we have already? 2 additions. So we're missing, and let's look at the numbers. We have a 2, a 4, and a 6. Oh, they better have those numbers in it. That's our family. Yep. Excellent job. We were missing 6 minus, and then all we have to do is flip those 2 numbers around. Instead of 6 minus 2, we can do 6 minus 4. Beautiful. Just move brother and sister around. I think we only have a couple problems left. Which equation will complete this fact family? What's missing? Yes, excellent. We already had our 2 addition. So we needed to find a subtraction sentence using the same numbers. Just flip them around and make sure they make sense. Okay, 2 more and we're done. We'll talk turkeys. Which equation will complete this fact family? What do we have? What are we missing? Very nice. Did you see that? 1 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3. Beautiful job. Love it. Last one. Man, that's the highest score I've ever seen. Which equation will complete this family? What do we have? What do we need? Fabulous. So that's right. We already had 2 subtraction. We don't need another one. So we needed an addition sentence. And we already realized the people that belonged in the house are the 1, 2, and the 3, no one else. And it makes sense. Yes, it does. Look at, let's see, let's look at, look at the yellow one. You want to see something really silly? Look at the yellow one. 1 minus 3. Try it. Put up 1 finger and try to take away 3. Can you do it? Can you do it? Put up 1 finger. Come on, man. Put up one bigger. Can you take away 3? No, I can't do it. You can't. I don't have enough. So it doesn't make any sense. All right, my love. Let's look and see your final score. Woo! Look at that giant score. Nice job, Mr. Blake. So proud of your work today. Keep up the good work. And let's talk turkey for a minute, okay? Can we talk turkey? All right. So I'm just here to remind you that tomorrow, our live lesson for science, we're not having. We're gonna do a celebration for our holiday, and it starts at 11. So don't log in at 10. I will still be asleep. So at 11 o'clock, wake up and log in and have your turkey ready if you want to do your turkey. Okay?
I think I'll be sleeping.
You'll
at
be-
10.
Me too. My dog and I will be passed out, sleeping away,
I
dreaming
sleep
about
pretty-
turkeys.
I sleep pretty hard, so
Yeah, will you be dreaming about turkeys too?
maybe I'll dreaming about doing this in
Uh,
one of the babies.
oh boy.
That
All
would
right,
be
I like
so
that.
weird.
So yeah, if you want, you can draw a turkey, or make a turkey, do something with a turkey, color a turkey, and then we'll have a turkey parade at the end of our celebration tomorrow. It's going to be a lot of fun. So we'll see you at 11 tomorrow if you can make it, okay? Bye. Have a nice day, Blake.
Peace.
Peace.
Joint. Bye.